Welcome back, sir. All systems for gaming will be prepared in a few minutes. For now, feel free to grab a cup of coffee and have a good day.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I have some news. I kind of lied to you guys. I know. It's okay. All right. So the reason that I lied, or what I lied about, was about doing a video this week. Thank you guys. But no. So in all seriousness, I got my computer upgraded. They told me it would be 4 to 5 business days to get it done. So I didn't think I was going to be able to record a video. But the fact of the matter is they got it to me a couple days early. So yeah. Anyways, as you guys can tell, you can see that I added some like buttons and stuff. I have some huge updates today for you guys. I'm going to show you guys the PC that I got built out. It's pretty dope. I'm pretty excited about it. And that's going to be good for streaming and stuff. I just upgraded it. So in this video today, I need your guys' help. So I care about what you guys think and your input. So please watch the full video because I have a couple of questions to ask you guys your opinions on, and the things that could affect this channel. So I really need your guys' input. So please help and give your guys' opinions on the comments below about some of the things I'm going to ask you guys. I'd really appreciate it. And then also the Gunpla Builders USA page that I mentioned before. We're going to go over some stuff about them. And then I'm also going to show you guys a couple of things that I got today and something that has to do with the Gunpla Builders USA channel. So yeah. Let's get into it, guys. So like I was saying, I upgraded my computer. So I don't know if you guys remember when I was telling you guys about the capture card that I bought, the 4K Pro. So it went into a PCIe lane on my computer, and this is all boring stuff. I'm sorry, guys, but it went to a PCIe lane in my computer, and my computer only had one 4.0 and one 3.0. And I didn't know that, and it needs at least a 4.0. So I did buy a new motherboard for my computer, and it was a MSI Mag Tomahawk, I believe. And so it had two PCI. It had a PCI 5.0 lane, a PCI 4.0 lane, and a PCI 1.0 lane. So and then I added a couple extra things to it. So that is what I'm going to go over on this. And I'm just going to show you real quick. I was talking about how I can change scenes with the click of a button down on my my Stream Deck, and it goes just like this. See? So now you guys see me. And then I can go into this one. Bam. Look it. There it is. See? And that's what I was talking about, is just really quick transitions and everything. And that's for this computer. So yeah, I upgraded the CPU. I was running an AMD 5000. And then and I upgraded that to an i9 13th gen, which is like a crazy thing. And then I also put a new motherboard in, like I said, and I put something really cool in, and I just want you guys to see that because of how cool that is. So I'm going to show you guys by switching my camera real quick. And yeah, so I switched camera angles, and I just want to show you guys how cool this is real quick.
A Gundam.
What? What was that?
I am a Gundam.
What are you talking about?
So yeah, so that is a right here is a water cooler for my CPU, and added some fans up top with RGB. And yeah, so that's my water cooler, guys. And it's really cool because it has little Gundam clips and some other stuff. So yeah. So anyways, enough about the computer. But yeah, so now I can switch scenes individually now and stuff like that, which is something that's really cool. So the first thing I wanted to ask you guys about was the community giveaways, or on my YouTube channel solely. So I was curious what you guys would like to see for those giveaways, like in the future. I'm thinking about doing one for 100 subscribers, and I just want to see what you guys think, like what you guys would like to see and stuff like that. And then as far as streaming goes, right now I'm streaming on Twitch, and Twitch only allows like 1080, I think. I've been an affiliate with them for about a year, and I'm thinking about making the switch. So I was thinking about maybe doing it to this channel, but I know that we're mostly Gunpla on my channel here. So I just wanted your guys' thoughts on if I should just keep this a Gunpla channel, or if you guys would be interested in seeing my gaming streams as well. Because I could also stream to Kick, try to stream to Kick and see how that goes, or do another YouTube channel of just game streaming. But I'm definitely leaving Twitch because they suck. You didn't hear it from me. But if I did do that, like streamed to this channel, I would do one Gunpla stream a week on this channel and then one gaming stream a week on this channel. So that's up to you guys. Like I said, I care about your guys' opinions, and I don't want to do anything to ruin our viewership and stuff. Next, we're going to move on to the Gunpla Builders USA topic that I have. So there has been an announcement for the challenge this month. And me and Panda talked a little bit, or we're actually going to voice chat on Discord tonight about it, about a couple things that might be changing. But anyways, I wanted to do a big shout out for them. So if you guys haven't joined the Discord channel yet for the Gunpla Builders USA, I'm going to link the Facebook page below. I'm going to link the Discord. And then there was an announcement for May's challenge. It's like they do building challenges and stuff like that. So I'm going to set a link to that down there as well. And if you haven't, I would definitely suggest hitting every single one of those links and joining the Discord channel as well as the Facebook page, because it's really cool. It's a really awesome community. There's lots of cool stuff being done, and there's challenges. And I'm not going to tell you guys what the challenge is this month, because I want you guys to be able to move or to be able to look at the TikTok that I'm going to post below and see what they're kind of doing, and join the channel, guys. Like, it is an awesome Discord channel and it's an awesome Facebook page. I love them both. Definitely join those channels. And now we're going to get on to the stuff that I'm going to show you. Some stuff that I got this week. Two of the things that I have are actually for the challenge, which you guys will probably be able to guess at least a little bit about the challenge. But yeah, so we're going to move back to the desk, and I am going to show you guys a couple things that I got. And I hope you guys are really excited about it. All right, guys, and we are back. So as far as my streaming on this desk setup goes, I kind of upgraded it quite a bit. I'm hoping that the Wavelink software that I use will integrate into what I'm getting. But I did buy the pod mic today, and I'll be setting that up instead of this Elgato Wave 3. I also bought the new Stream Deck Plus so I can use the Wavelink software, and I really hope that it'll plug into what I'm about to show you guys next. So the second thing I got was the Rodecaster Pro 2. And this will basically just allow me to switch up the knobs and everything. And I'm really trying to take my streams to the next level. And that's why I haven't been streaming on the YouTube channel, is because I'm still working out a couple bugs. I want everything to be perfect for you guys. And speaking of USA Gunpla Builders, I was thinking about doing my own like Discord channel. But after talking to Panda, I'm going to be talking to him a little bit tonight, and he had some ideas like doing something like that. And I think I would rather bring people to that Discord channel and build that group higher. So that's a big plus on there too. And yeah, so I'm just gonna move back on. And so some of us builders that stream, he thought it would be cool to put individual channels for us on there that you know, so that you guys can sit there and talk to us, like talk to me while I'm building, for instance, stuff like that. I don't know why I didn't do this earlier. Sorry about the lighting. It makes this camera right here work a little bit better with better lighting. That is the bad thing about the GoPro, using that. And cool. So then the last two things that I have, so it kind of has to do with the Gunpla Builders USA Facebook page and Discord channel for the challenge coming up in May. Or I'm going to put streams out. Every stream that I build is me doing this new challenge. So these are the things that are Gunpla related. I got the MS-06F2 Zaku 2 F2, the mass production mobile suit, and I got the Advanced X1 and Fighter set, or the TIE Advanced X1 and the Fighter set. And so these are something to do with the build. And it's going to be pretty cool. I'm actually going to kind of mix these two things up, and you'll see what I'm doing. It'll be really cool. I got some water decals coming. I got some paint coming, and I'm going to put the other Gunpla stream that I was doing on hold for a second and build this guys with you, so you guys can watch and see what I'm doing while I'm doing it. So it's going to be really cool. But anyways, definitely look at the TikTok video below to see what May's challenge is going to be. So you guys can get that through. So yeah, I'm really just working on upgrading everything, guys. And let me switch you back. So yeah, I'm really working on upgrading everything for you guys, and really putting out some high quality streams, like I said. So I'm kind of working with Panda from the said Discord and Facebook page. So yeah, that is pretty much all I have. If you guys liked this video, please hit that like and subscribe button down below and tick that bell so you get notifications when my next video goes live. And also please comment about the stuff I asked you about, because I really want to know what you guys think about this channel and what would be the next cool giveaway. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Rebel Spartan TV out.